everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful big size rose. So for this project I am using 4 mm crochet hook and 4 ply yarn. If you want you can make any size. So for this rose I have made 91 chains, and for smaller size you can make 31 chains, and for medium size you can make 61 chains. So let's get started. At first make a slip knot. Then make chain 91. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So here I have made total 91 chains. Now make more 5 chains. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now make 1 double crochet in the 6th chain from the hook. Now skip 5 chain. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Make 1 double crochet. Now skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. 1 2 and 3. Then make 1 double crochet in same stitch. This is the V stitch, so we have to make all the V stitch. Now skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. 1 2 and 3. Make 1 double crochet in same stitch. Again skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. 1 2 and 3. Then make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So the pattern is skip 2 chain and make 1 double crochet. Make 3 chain. 1 2 and 3. Skip make 1 double crochet in same stitch. So continue all around up to end. Now we have completed all the V stitches. Now make the petals. So first make 3 chain. 1 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now turn the work and make 5 double crochet in this 3 chain space. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So here is 5 double crochet including this chain. Now make single crochet in this space. Again make 6 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Make single crochet in this gap. So we have made the first side. So in the first 2 stitch we will make 6 double crochet, and in next each V stitches we have to make 8 double crochet, but leave the last 2 V stitch and work 8 double crochet in each chain space. Now make 8 double crochet in the next V stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. Again make 8 double crochet in this 3 chain gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. Make 8 double crochet in the next 3 chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Make single crochet in this gap. So continue 8 double crochet in each V stitches. Just leave this last 2. Now in the last I have made the 8 double crochet. So now in the last 2 V stitch make 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Make single crochet and again make 10 double crochet in the last V stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now give a knot and keep the yarn little bit long and cut the extra yarn. Now fold the petal like this to make the rose. Wrap little bit tight. It will make the shape automatically, but don't pull the yarn too much. Like this, wrap the yarn. Now turn the work and stitch all the layers together to make the rows secure. You don't need to make the neat and clean, just stitch all the layers like this. I have stitched all the layers together. Now cut the yarn. So this is the flower. Thanks for watching.